What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel from your Italian friend that speaks fluent English, or kind of. Anyway, I was out of the game on content creating for a while because my life was getting too busy, you know, between work, gym, nutrition, rest, gym, nutrition, work, rest, and yeah, all these tons of different things. But now I'm slowly coming back into it. So this video, it's a lifestyle video, and that talks about, as you could see from the thumbnail, of my new bike. So I've sold my Suzuki GSR 750, which was a little naked bike, pretty cool one, and I went and bought my kind of a dream bike, an Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4 RR. Well, I made a motovlog, but I'm talking about the bike, the feature mods that I want to do, the new kind of content that I want to bring on the channel, and all this boring stuff that nobody sadly cares about. And I've made a cool b-roll, which makes me feel like a super Hollywood kind of creator, but it's just 15 seconds where I'm filming my bike with a cool music under it. Well, let me know what you think about it. Anyway, let's go to the video.
Alright guys, welcome to Italy. So first I want to apologize for the audio, because I don't know how the mic is gonna... Yeah, I was saying I don't know how the mic is gonna pick up my voice, because there's plenty of sounds going around. Wind noise, my voice, of course, the motorbike noise, you know, but it should be fine. Look at these Vespas. Welcome to Italy. This is the right welcome for you guys. So as I said before, I wanted to bring different videos on my channel. But yeah, in this video I just want to present you my new missile that I just got into my garage, and maybe hopefully doing some motovlogging and some videos where I'm gonna pimp my bike, which I have already a couple in my mind. I have a few things delivered at home about modifications for the bike, aesthetically of course, because engine wise guys, I don't know if you realize, but I'm on a Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4. This is the RR version, so it's not the factory one, but the main difference between factory and RR is that this one has the seat, the passenger seat already installed, and it has a different graphics, and doesn't have front and rear all-in suspensions. Those are the main difference. Everything else, chassis, engine, TFT control, and everything else is exactly the same. On the factory version you've got the nice tail, little spoiler I've already installed on this one because it's so sexy. Oh, look at this gravel, damn, not the best thing. I bought this bike in February of this year, 2024, and I've ridden it already a few times, and guys, doesn't matter if it's the first time or the 20th time that you sit and ride this bike, it's always insane. So you never get used to it. I mean, guys, we've got 180 horsepower on a V4 engine, which rips your arms off from 2000 RPM to the 12,000, and it's something insane, guys, on a naked bike. That weighs 180 or 90 with the empty tank. Yeah, this is just little Saturday ride. I'm going up to the mountains, so I'm living in north of Italy where the Alps are. We've got plenty amazing roads, mountain roads and landscapes and everything. So I'm just gonna go next to where I live, do a little ride, and to find a nice spot where to b-roll and present you my Aprilia Tuono travels videos. Look at this guy. But yeah, so I can do more videos where I'm gonna aesthetically modify my bike. If you're not gonna hear me talking, it's because I'm concentrated on driving and on listening to this amazing V4 sound. when I bought the bike, I bought it like with everything that I wanted. The only thing that wasn't on the menu were the right tires. I've got DOT 2019 tires, which are not the best because they are a little bit oldish for this kind of bike especially. So yes, I don't want to rip it too much off because yeah, I don't know how much the tire is gonna hold. Damn, I'm cooking, people. The bike is on 101 degrees, so she needs to go. Ew. This is 2017 Aprilia Tuono RR version, which I'm gonna convert into our factory one, especially because I have already front and rear all-in suspensions that the previous owner put on the bike. That's the biggest part. It's done. Damn, this road is a mess. And yeah, I will factorize it, and it's gonna be a black factory version. We are on 101, 102 degrees. Have you just seen that, guys? How he wanted to take the turn tight, but of course the bike was coming, so they almost freaking kissed each other. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, we had the Giro d'Italia, like the bike competition going through here. God, yes, God, please. Yeah, this road is a little bit wettish. Look at this landscape. Road is super dirty. Go back down to the town. I'll B-roll there. Hopefully there's no many cars. Be ready for the B-roll.
2, 1.
Here we go!
Okay guys, so B-roll is done. I hope that something cool came out, because literally I was sweating a lot, and I left the bike under the sun, as you can see from the B-roll, and my butt right now is cooking so much, and the camera is about to die. So guys, I think this video is coming to an end. Plus, I don't know if you can see it, but in front of me the weather is, oh, raindrops, amazing. It's starting to rain. Cool. It was sunny until 2 minutes ago. Right guys, so the video, and now for this time it was good. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, My Natural Muscles, on my Instagram account, My Natural Muscles, and on my TikTok, My Natural Muscles. So love ya all, and see you on the next one. Cool. Bye.